Namaskar, Anjalji. My name is Harmanjeet Rekhi, and I am the founder of Himalayan Naturals. It is a pleasure for me to have you on this show. I've heard a lot about you, I've read a lot about you, and we've been interacting for the past couple of days. And very frankly, I was looking forward to this meeting of ours. So, thank you so much for joining in.
Thank you so much, Harmanji, for having me here. Okay. And it's a pleasure. And I have also read a lot about, the kind of work you're doing. And it's superb. It's commendable.
Thank you.
So, yes.
बड़ा अच्छा लगता है जब आपके जैसे वाइज एक्सपर्ट्स मेरी तारीफ करें तो मुझे बड़ी हम्बलिंग और बड़ी ग्राउंडिंग सी फीलिंग आती है.
No,
So
no, it's absolutely, yeah, yes.
I'll just tell you a little bit about myself. I'm an ex-merchant navy officer. I sailed for about 21 years. Started a small little farm in Uttarakhand in 2014. And since 2019, I am fully into the skincare business, as you might say. But apart from that, we are also working towards creating a very good, um, effective, and interactive, engaging sort of a community for women who are undergoing menopausal phase in their lives. So, उसके
Okay.
तहत हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं कि we are actually bringing in experts like yourselves from all fields of all walks of life, like spiritual, healing, Ayurveda, homeopathy. Last night we were making a video like this with two dentists, and it is just that this particular field is so I would say withdrawn. इतना ज्यादा कभी इसके बारे में बात ही नहीं होती. People also don't talk about this particular thing. Maybe it's not to be spoken in this Indian context. What are your thoughts about it, ma'am?
So, I have been into healing since childhood. Okay.
Right, ma'am.
I was always very, very spiritual from my family. Okay. And when I was just 14 years of age, I discovered tarot card reading, where people didn't know about what is tarot card. I could read tarot cards. I started giving interpretations to a lot of my families and friends, and they started saying that, this is coming true. I developed
Right.
on my intuition skills. Okay. And now I also teach meditation, tarot, plus coffee cup reading. It's again a Turkish concept,
We
and
will we
spiritual coaching.
surely we will
Sorry?
surely talk this coffee cup concept. It's very intriguing. I am so intrigued about it. But definitely, we will
Okay.
create a separate video about this concept. I'm sure this is something very unique that people haven't even heard about.
Correct, correct. It's very nascent actually, but
Okay,
it's just like tarot. Like tarot was from Italy, so coffee cup
right.
is from Turkey basically, and you read energies. Okay, you read the auras of people, the energies of people. So yes, so like you were asking me that what are my thoughts? So I also feel that about menopause, it's a topic which is not spoken. Okay,
Right.
because people somewhere have always felt that this is a taboo, it should not be spoken of. Okay, just like
Yeah.
it was for women who were menstruating that time, it was a very big taboo, but now it's become open. Now we can see ads on television, and now
Right.
whatever it is, people have accepted that menstruation at least. But yes,
Right.
regarding menopause, women does go through a lot of changes. I have had clients who were going through menopause, who took readings from me, like who are above 42, 43, and they had some or the other health issues. And then we came to know through the cards that it is not about some other health issue. It's basically about the menopause, which is like a perimenopause, which is going to start with them. And that is why
Right.
they are facing such issues like, weakness, and,
Hmm.
they are feeling very tired. They are feeling very hot, at night. So
Right.
a lot of things, and their husbands are not able to cope up or not able to understand them. So Indian
This is
context, I
the
feel,
whole concept
gee,
of starting this community. Why? Because men will listen to men. And as a man, speaking about this openly, it becomes my prerogative to teach other men then at least accept what is happening in their wives' lives, True.
Right. And I would like to add one more thing over here. Not only to the wives' lives. आप देखिए कि इंडिया में अभी आज कितनी लेडीज ऐसी भी हैं who are single, okay, who are not getting married. Now, if you see the culture, there are women who don't want to get married. Okay, so these women definitely will go through the menopause stage alone.
Yes.
They also have
Yes.
to care for themselves. So most
Right.
important thing is you have to love yourself. You have to love your body. You have to understand, go deep within and understand that if there is something hormonal thing happening with me, then first thing is why it's happening with me. Once you understand the why, then what is the solution? Okay. So there are many of such things. So see, earlier times now, in the olden days, okay, like they used to have kids early in the Grihastha
Right.
ashram. If you talk about the Grihastha ashram, right? बच्चे जल्दी हो जाते थे. So when they were quite big, then the parents used to start adopting brahmacharya during that menopausal phase. You know,
Oh,
so women.
this is why all that प्रणाली जो थी वो इसलिए चलती थी.
Sorry.
You mean to say the brahmacharya pranali was basically because of this particular fact, right?
I would not say that this is one of the. I would say this is one of the factors. See, when the woman is going through those deep hormonal changes, okay,
Right.
आप एक age के बाद obviously we go through old age. See, one more
Right.
thing is that we have to understand we have these ashrams are made like that only, right? Grihastha के बाद you have the last में when you go towards your deathbed, right? So ये जो
Right.
ashrams भी बने थे वो इसी के लिए थे that adulthood is different age, then you will have children in one age, and then once you're going towards the old age, see, menopause is also that you have to accept aging. That means you're aging. You have to understand. Women find it very difficult, I'll tell you honestly, that उनको aging से अगर थोड़े white hair दिख जाएंगे तो उनको थोड़ा तकलीफ होगी, that how will someone else view me, whether that means I've become old. अभी आप टेलीविजन इंडस्ट्री में देख लेंगे तो उसमें भी ना when the actors and actresses become old, then nobody takes them in the movies. It's an example
Right.
for us, right?
Right.
So
Right.
same way, when women are aging, the skin is sagging. There's some or the other problem, and they become fat. Because they are emotionally eating. They are not emotionally available because the husbands are also not emotionally available with them. And that is why this culture is changing. Plus अभी आज एक और बात अगर मैं ऐड कर सकती हूँ तो
Sure, please.
एक और कल्चर आज क्या चेंज हो रहा है कि हम ये इस कलयुग में है, ओके, वेयर अ मैन इज नॉट सीइंग हिज वाइफ एज अ ट्रू पर्सन. मतलब वो सच्चाई से अपनी वाइफ के साथ भी नहीं है. आप कितने ऐसे केसेस हैं, दे आर हैविंग एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर्स, they are dating outside. There are many such things also, because of which also wife is troubled. So she resorts to emotional eating. She will resort to going out, spending more money. So there are a lot of fights. There are a lot of issues happening. So these are more deeper concerns. So menopause is definitely a very deeper concern right now for women and for man who is with her, to support her, to be with her, to be present, basically, to listen to her when she's telling you something.
True. अभी तक क्या हो रहा था that people, men especially, if you talk to them, the only thing that used to come from them is it's her problem, she will handle it. But my question here is, let's talk about our mothers. All our lives, all our problems were her problems. All of a sudden, why is her problem only her problem? उसको कौन संभालेगा? Has she been given a blueprint by her mother? No, because every woman will have a unique phase. This menopause is not going to be a standardized thing.
Correct.
So
absolutely right.
One of the things that I've really felt before I started considering this to be an important aspect to look into is there are more than about 56, approximately 70 symptoms that women will observe. And all of them are not able to decipher कि मेरी बॉडी के साथ क्या हो रहा है, मेरे साथ हो क्या रहा है. अब उस सिम्टम को जब आपको पता ही नहीं है कि what is happening to your body, how will you go to a doctor? And number one, there is no particular doctor for this. You've got
Of
neurologists, you've
course,
got urologists, you've got endocrinologists, but you don't have somebody specializing in menopausal issues. So
menopause.
that is the reason why we are creating this community that, okay, come join us. We are not going to ask you for any, subscription or something like that. It's going to be a free to join thing. And here
Great.
you will get expert advice, not only from one person, not only from dermatologists, from spiritual experts like yourself,
Yeah.
from dentists, from various yoga teachers, from meditation experts. You don't know what all might just, start to develop. So that was a very
Absolutely.
beautiful explanation that you gave, that, looking back into the Indian culture, uh, this phase, the onset of this phase, let's say perimenopause, was probably the start point of brahmacharya. Yeah, in the couple, I would say.
Absolutely.
है ना? So this was, I would say, this was one of the triggers that our you know ancient Vedic system has actually put into place. One of the other facts that has also been spoken about, वैसे तो इसके बारे में ज्यादा बात हो ही नहीं रही है, but जहां भी बात हुई है, there's one theory that comes up, is the grandma's hypothesis. I always speak about this. Grandma's hypothesis says there are only a couple of species in this world which will have menopause. Otherwise, most of the animal kingdom में species जो हैं, they will keep reproducing till the last day of their lives. So humans is one.
Okay.
There are two more species of whales that are there, which
Okay.
have menopause. Now, the reason why this is there, if you consider the similarity between whales and humans, is that they guide their offsprings and further
Correct.
their offspring. You know? So in
Correct.
humans, this is this is not a bad phase, I would say. This is a phase whereby nature is trying to give you a bigger responsibility. So that is what people have to accept. They have to broaden their and tighten their shoulders. Okay, ठीक है, ये एक नई responsibility आई है. When I became mother for the first time, I didn't know how to bring up a child. Now I've brought up, let's say, one or two of them, and now, or maybe not even one of them, but this is a new phase of life for me.
Correct.
This
Correct.
There's new
Absolutely
responsibility.
right.
Yeah. So this is one of the
Absolutely.
aspects that we encourage people to understand, that acceptance is very important. Don't fight this phase. Don't be delirious. Don't be disillusioned. कि क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है. Don't be confused. Accept it and start to look at yourself with a new light. Start to love yourself. I think that's very, very important in this phase that needs to happen.
Absolutely. That's why you remember, and very rightly you said, and once a woman becomes a grandmother, she can guide the offsprings very well, like how she has gone through, through a lot of lessons. So instead of fighting this phase, like rightly you said, you need to accept and love yourself. Like I first told, that everybody first needs to love yourself, especially the woman, whether you're married, you're not married, you're single, because see, even a few factors I would like to talk about here is that there right now in current situation you see there are a lot of lifestyle changes which are happening.
Right.
Right, we see people eating outside. Correct. We see people always in the 9 to 6 jobs, because of which they're highly stressed and pressured because of the targets they have to meet up. Right.
Right.
We see even business women, okay, who are on a very high stature. They are always occupied with a lot of responsibilities. Okay, they are not even able to see their home and family. So
Right.
look at the kind of hormonal issues within the body they must be going through. Outside they are showing that they are very happy with a smile, but internally, actually, they are going through that deep pain. They're going through that frustration. They don't know what to do. So, I would suggest I would suggest all women, in fact, to start visiting, connecting with the mother nature first. Start going for walks on the grass,
Good.
green grass, walk for 15-20 minutes on grass, because that will elevate their energy, that will ground their energy. Okay, all their chakras will be grounded. Another thing is, instead of eating outside, कितना भी हो घर पे आके try to make your own meals in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Try to make easy meals. There are many videos available online, for food and everything, where you can make smoothies, you can make meals, you can take pack your tiffin and take it. So eat healthy, basically. And most important thing is, I feel, exercise. So women, in fact, who are aging, they need to at least do some exercise, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. कुछ तो करना है, योगा करो, मेडिटेशन करो, जिम जाओ. मतलब मेडिटेशन तो करना ही है, योगा करो, जिम जाओ, वॉकिंग करो, रनिंग करो, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड नॉट टू डू एनीथिंग ओवर. व्हाट आई हैव अंडरस्टूड फ्रॉम द एंटायर थिंग विद द वुमेन्स बॉडी इज, कुछ भी ज्यादा नहीं करना. यू ऑल्सो हैव टू लिसन टू योर इंट्यूशन. इफ योर इंट्यूशन टुडे इज सेइंग, ओके, आज मुझे 20 मिनट्स करना है and I need more sleep, so I will sleep well. Because I also see that women are not sleeping properly,
Very
they're not
important.
sleeping properly in this
Yeah,
phase.
yeah.
Because see, रात को नींद नहीं आ रही है, because they have lack of sleep issues. अभी आप मानेंगे नहीं, टैरो कार्ड्स में भी आ जाता है कि they are not sleeping properly. वो ऐसे कार्ड्स हैं which tell us. So they themselves tell that हम सो नहीं रहे हैं रात को. So obviously, so they have to take proper vitamins. And in fact, even they should take these bathing salts and do some kind of I think you know better about it, so please
I'm
give
so
me some
glad you
knowledge.
mentioned this. I'm so glad you mentioned this. I'll tell you something. When we were building this whole journey of ours into skincare, we basically came from a herbs farm into being into the skincare industry. And उस journey में I spent a lot of years traveling the inner depths of Himalayas, including Bhutan. And भूटान में एक बहुत अच्छी प्रैक्टिस है. द हायर रीचेस ऑफ द भूटान, जो इनके जो हायर रीचेस पे जहाँ पे पासेस हैं, वहां पे ये लोग क्या करते हैं, जूनिपर बेरी एक पेड़ होता है, उसकी छाल, उसकी लकड़ी, उसके पत्ते, उसकी बेरीज को आग लगाते हैं. एंड व्हेन द स्मोक राइजेस अप इनटू द स्काई, they say that our prayers are be taken by this particular smoke. So what we started doing was, we started infusing such elements into Shakambri salt. Shakambri salt is salt derived from Shakambri Lake, that is in Rajasthan, close to Ajmer. And
Correct.
Hindustan Salt Limited has the license to actually produce salt from there. So we bring salt crystals from there, and we, infuse that salt with various elements like cinnamon bark. Cinnamon bark is very important for grounding. Meditation se pehle, you must have seen, why aren't people able to meditate properly or probably get the desired results from meditation? Is why? Because they don't start with the grounding exercises. So
Correct.
cinnamon
Correct.
is important for grounding. Cedar wood के साथ अगर आप उस salt को use करोगे, so that actually elevates your consciousness amazingly beautifully. Cedar wood is also called Devdaru.
Correct.
And
Correct.
Devdaru is considered to be the abode of Brahmaji.
जी.
So इसकी छाल से हम लोग तेल निकालते हैं मैम. एंड आप, अगर आपने आज तक कभी ऐसे सॉल्ट्स यूज करे हैं, या फिर व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ दीज पर्टिकुलर सॉल्ट्स?
I believe that people should use bathing salt. Okay, they should
Wow.
bathe with it. They should keep it in the corners of their house.
Yes.
Cinnamon को तो in fact blow भी किया जाता है. You blow it, when the month is just starting, to get prosperity and abundance in the house. So
घर के
these
अंदर
salts
की
are
तरफ से करते हैं.
जी घर के अंदर जी. Because these salts are very important, because see, cleansing process, healing journey में, when you take bath with these salts, I'm sure you are aware about it, they help you to recover a lot about your trauma. See, ये menopause भी कुछ नहीं है, but it's a trauma, it's a baggage, right? Baggage in the sense कि बचपन से लेके एक लेडी ने जो यंग एज में आए, फिर आप ओल्ड एज, फिर आप एडल्टहुड में आए, मैरिज में आए, हर चीज में आए, बच्चे फिर आपने पैदा किए. अगर चलो बच्चे नहीं है, इवन द सिंगल लेडीज हु हैव हैड बर्डन्स इन देयर head, so they are somewhere hurt, somewhere in their heart. They still have that
Right.
trauma, they still have that wounding. they need to heal themselves a lot, you know. So
Right.
healing is very important, then only you start. In fact, आपको एक और बात बताऊं मैं आज.
जी,
So
प्लीज.
I was in fact guided to make a video also on this, which I will eventually make. कि इम्पोर्टेंट चीज ये है आज हेल्थ में अगर आप देखेंगे then there are many people who suddenly put on lot of weight, you know. It's because of emotions are trapped in the way in the body, you know. स्किन में
राइट.
इमोशंस ट्रैप्ड होते हैं. आप जब हील करना चालू करते हो तो आप देखोगे कि वो इंसान पतला हो जाता है. ओके, दैट
राइट.
पर्सन स्टार्ट बिकमिंग थिन एंड लूजिंग वेट. You automatically come back to your normal clothes which you used to wear like 10 years before. So instead of
आई.
buying also more clothes and disturbing the environment, a person should go within, heal, and go back to your previous clothes instead of buying and, you know, wasting the resources of the mother nature.
You'll be surprised, ma'am. I gave a I gave a talk once, I think a couple of months back, where I mentioned the same aspect. So आजकल क्या फंडा क्या है? My body type is such. No, 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 no. Your body type is what you were, growing up with. Naturally, that is your body type. अब आपकी बॉडी टाइप
Absolutely.
चेंज नहीं हुई, आपकी इंटेंशन चेंज हो गई है. आपने अपने आप
बिल्कुल.
को क्लींस करना बंद कर दिया है. आपने अपने आप को हील करना बंद कर दिया है. और हीलिंग सिर्फ मल्टीविटामिन खा के और दवाइयां खा के नहीं होता है.
नहीं होता है. But Harmanji, sorry to cut you here. I would also like to add that see, problem is also that there is lack of knowledge in the society. You know,
True.
knowledge is
True.
not there. You know, husbands right now, if anybody is married, you know, I would also like to give them this message that please take care of your wife. Be that पुरुष, the पुरुष जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना महादेव और शिव जी, वो दो ही पुरुष है बोलते हैं. मतलब in our scriptures it's written that वो दो ही पुरुष है. बाकी तो कोई ऐसे पुरुष वाली क्वालिटीज ली नहीं है. बट जितने भी मेन हैं यहाँ पे, यू कैन ऑल्सो रीच द दैट स्टेज ऑफ पुरुषार्थ, you know, by following dharma, by doing the righteous things. So the righteous thing today for a man is to take care of his wife, you know, to take care of her solely. आप एक और चीज मैं आपको बताऊंगी. पुराने जमाने में ना एक पातिव्रत धर्म था, where women used to follow that dharma, you know, they used to just worship in fact माता पार्वती, आप देखेंगे सीता माता, लक्ष्मी माता, सरस्वती माता, फिर बहुत सारे सेजेस की जो वाइफ्स थी, you know, अनुसुईया माता. इनफैक्ट शी वाज वेरी फेमस, सती माता अनुसुईया. यू कैन रीड द स्टोरी. मैंने बहुत पहले एक वीडियो बनाया था इस पे कि
Right.
जो वो थी ना, शी वाज सो पावरफुल, शी वाज वेरी मच डिवोटेड टू द हस्बैंड. बट इसके अंदर
Right.
क्या होता है, इवन द हस्बैंड इज डिवोटेड टू द वाइफ. तो वो पतिव्रत धर्म
Right.
सिर्फ वाइफ के लिए नहीं होता, इट्स ऑल्सो फॉर द हस्बैंड. सो हस्बैंड इज ऑल्सो डिवोटेड टू द वाइफ एंड दैट इज हाउ द you get the blessings of the divine. The moment
Right.
आपकी दृष्टि हटी, the moment your दृष्टि is impure, the moment you are seeing somebody in a very bad manner, जो आजकल चल रहा है सोसाइटी में, आप देखो इंस्टाग्राम देख लो, फेसबुक, यू नो, कितने सोशल मीडिया ऐप्स देख लो कि जो वीडियोस आते हैं लोग वो देखते हैं. देखो वीडियोस तो आएंगे, बट ये आपके ऊपर है कि आपको वो वीडियो देखना है या नहीं देखना है. आपके ऊपर है कि
Right.
आप बना रहे हो, किस टाइप का खाना खा रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो आप अपने लाइफ के साथ. तो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दैट इज वाई जब जब ये आदमी भी मेडिटेशन करेंगे, if when they will also connect to the mother nature, when they will have that soft sensitive side, तब उनका फेमिनिन जागृत होता है. नहीं तो हर आदमी ना अपना फेमिनिन एस्पेक्ट बंद कर देता है. वो फेमिनिन एस्पेक्ट तब जागृत करते हैं जब उनके पास सॉफ्टनेस आती है. So ideally, a man is not a man by roaring like a lion or a tiger. You know, the man is a man by having a soft corner towards the woman, but also doing the righteous dharma. You know, doing that action.
हम लोगों ने मैम क्या करना शुरू कर दिया ना, हम लोगों ने वो फादर फिगर वाला जो इमेज थी ना, वो कहीं छुपा दी है. आई एम टॉकिंग एज अ मेल. हम लोगों ने
Correct.
फादर फिगर वाली जो इमेज थी, जो अपनी एक सेंस थी, वो कहीं छुपा दी है. अब हम लोग क्या है, फादर फिगर से एनीथिंग बट फादर फिगर हो गए हैं. Father figure not only meant a father being a father to your children, it meant being a father to the entire family, including your siblings, including their children, including your wife, including her, your wife's आगे की जो family है. पहले ये था, अब नहीं है.
जी.
So this is exactly what the.
you beautifully said this. जी.
Thank you. And अभी हमारे यही एक कोशिश है मैम A man would obviously listen to a man. I want to break that taboo of this is a woman's problem. No, this is your problem too because you are the father figure.
बिल्कुल
So tell me one
बिल्कुल
thing, ma'am. Please, आप मेरे को थोड़ा सा guide करो. I'm seeking your guidance in this. How do you ground yourself? Even I would want to learn that effectively. Apart from, let's say cinnamon, salt, हम लोगों ने यहाँ table पे रखी है. That's what I do most of the times. It helps. But how
जी
can I enhance my grounding basis using these salts? Any other methods that you may think of?
See, one such method is by walking on the green grass. Like I said, when you walk on the green grass for 20 minutes, okay,
Right,
because you are walking on that sand, on that grass, वो मिट्टी पे आप चल रहे हो, आप वो grass पे चल रहे हो, automatically आप mother nature के साथ जुड़े हुए हो, तो
Harsh.
automatically she grounds you. Second such technique is through a meditation, okay, that you
Right,
think about that all your chakras, you think in your third eye that all your chakras are being grounded from your feet एंड आप उसमें से देख रहे हो कि उसमें से ना ब्रांचेस निकल रहे हैं
right.
बट ग्राउंडिंग एक्सरसाइजेस तो बहुत बहुत सारी आई थिंक यू आर ऑल्सो अवेयर अबाउट दैट ग्राउंडिंग इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट आज क्योंकि बिना मेडिटेशन में जो लोग ग्राउंडिंग नहीं करते हैं देन दैट मेडिटेशन डजंट वर्क ग्राउंडिंग इज व्हाट बैलेंसिंग योर एनर्जी बेसिकली
Right.
इट्स बैलेंसिंग योर चक्रास करेक्ट
I think
जी
that's the start point of all this. ना? That's the start point of any of the energy के साथ कहीं भी आप tinker करना चाहते हो, you have to be grounded. Otherwise, you will be either hyper excited or hyper low somewhere. आप extremes पे
एब्सोल्युटली
पहुंच जाओगे.
बिल्कुल
Balance नहीं कर पाओगे.
इमोशनल बिकॉज अ पर्सन विल गो थ्रू दैट इमोशनल टर्ब्यूलेंस मेंटल
Yes.
एंजाइटी फियर्स ये जो आते हैं ना फियर्स एंजाइटी और हर्ट्स जैसे इफ कई लोग बहुत सारा दर्द लेके बैठ जाते हैं एंड देन दे वांट टू टॉक टू समबडी दैट आई एम इन डीप पेन आई एम इन दिस आई एम इन दैट because somewhere they are not grounded because somewhere they are not balanced because somewhere
Hmm.
nobody has taught them how to do this.
Right. Very true. Very true. So, ma'am, what will be your key takeaway from this particular video that we've just, shot? So, give me two key takeaways from this.
Okay. See, the first important thing is I feel that women should love their self and work on
Right.
themselves, okay, by doing some mantra chanting, meditation, some bathing salts, using bathing salts, and doing some form of self care, okay, for
Right.
themselves. Second thing is the men should accept their wives or the men should accept their mothers if they are not married that there will be women around you all the time. There may be sisters, there may be other women around. Even when you're running an organization, there are women there as employees, correct? So you need to think from the broader perspective that how society is going to benefit if I am thinking not only for myself, I'm thinking for others. Okay. जैसे
Right.
भागवत गीता में आई वुड लाइक टू एंड विद दिस भागवत गीता में श्री कृष्ण भगवान ने अर्जुन से कहा था कि डोंट थिंक फॉर योरसेल्फ ये जो युद्ध तुम कर रहे हो ये सिर्फ तुम अपने लिए नहीं कर रहे हो ये तुम सोसाइटी के लिए कर रहे हो पूरे आर्यन
Right.
रेस के लिए कर रहे हो तो आज ये
Right.
युद्ध करना जरूरी है तो ही सोसाइटी बेनिफिट करेगी तो आज आप जैसे ये कम्युनिटी बना रहे हैं तो आज आप ये अपने लिए नहीं कर रहे आप सोसाइटी के लिए कर रहे हो सो दैट द
Yes.
सोसाइटी इज बेनिफिटेड सो दैट द मेन आल्सो हैव अ ग्रेट thinking process. They have purity towards their wife. Wives have purity towards their husbands, and
Absolutely.
we have a great bonding together as a whole society.
True.
And we
Very
get back
true.
to our Indian roots.
ये सबसे जरूरी बहुत बात बोली आपने बिकॉज हम लोग क्या है इंडियननेस को ना भूल तो नहीं गए हैं बट हम लोगों ने उसको साइड में रख दिया बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट कूल एनी मोर है ना आयुर्वेदा
Right,
आज
absolutely.
आयुर्वेदा आज भी एक सेकेंडरी अप्रोच है मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल राइट आज भी अगर उनको कुछ भी है ना सेकेंडरी अप्रोच है दांतों के लिए ठीक है आयुर्वेदा कर लो बालों के लिए ठीक है आयुर्वेदा कर लो व्हेन इट कम्स टू हार्ट नहीं 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 यार वी हैव टू गो टू दैट
I totally agree with you because I have so many clients and friends whom I meet. So they tell me that if ये problem है तो हम तो आयुर्वेदा नहीं लेते, बट
हाँ,
आई फील होम्योपैथी, आयुर्वेदा आर वेरी गुड रादर देन एलोपैथी. एलोपैथी अ पर्सन
एब्सोल्युटली
वी आर नॉट टेलिंग एनीथिंग, बट आयुर्वेदा जहाँ पे हमारे रूट्स है, तुलसी माता को जिनको हम वर्शिप करते हैं, व्हेन यू
जी.
हैव कोल्ड कफ फीवर, दैट इज द बेसिक थिंग व्हिच वी कीप इन आवर हाउसेस सो दैट कुछ हो जाए तो हम खा लें.
ट्रू, वेरी
वैसे ही
ट्रू,
आपका
वेरी ट्रू,
आपका अश्वगंधा है, शतावरी है, देयर आर सो मेनी. आई एम श्योर
ट्रू,
आई मीन यू नो
ट्रू.
मोर अबाउट इट. You are into this, you know.
True, true. So one of the key takeaways that I would want to share is that what we are intending to do is, जैसे आज हम लोगों ने ये वीडियो बनाया, and then eventually this particular video will go on all social media platforms and people will identify with what is being spoken. At the same time, ma'am, we will be conducting camps at a later stage, maybe in a matter of 3 months, 4 months, whereby we will have experts like yourself sitting on the panelist side, and there could be 50, 100 women all online, and who could just ask questions without any inhibition. मैं इस बोलूंगी तो कैसा लगेगा, मैं किसको जाके
Correct.
पूछूं, पता
बिल्कुल,
नहीं वो जवाब देगा नहीं, पता नहीं ये जाएंगे कि नहीं मेरे साथ, मैं
बिल्कुल,
बेटे को
बिल्कुल.
पूछूंगी तो कैसा लगेगा,
या
and very frankly, young men, I would say, I've spoken so much about this. They think ये तो 3 4 5 महीने का काम है. Young men I'm talking about.
राइट.
Not understanding perimenopause, menopause and postmenopause is practically a period of 12 odd years. And
एब्सोल्युटली,
ये
आई
कोई
टोटली एग्री विद यू.
इशू नहीं है, ये कोई कैंसर नहीं है कि किसी को हुआ किसी को नहीं होगा. 62% of world's population is women as per the WHO report. 62% of world's population को ये होगा ही होगा.
इट्स नेचुरल प्रोसेस, इट्स अ बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस.
Process. So अभी भी अगर कोई कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, then I think it's high time for us to step in and take lead into this. I'm so glad that you are a part of this community. You are actively participating. आपने इतना टाइम दिया, आपने इतनी हमारे को इंफॉर्मेशन दी, and
आई
you
एम सो
motivated
ग्लैड
us.
दैट यू आर स्टार्टिंग दिस. आपको बहुत
Thank
बहुत
you.
थैंक यू, ग्रैटिट्यूड, बिकॉज
Thank you.
आपने ये चीज जो स्टार्ट की है, ये इंडिया में बहुत जरूरी है. देखो फॉरेन कंट्रीज में तो हो ही रहा है. दे आर वेरी मच
True.
अवेयर अबाउट मेनोपॉज. देवर द वंस जो बहुत चीजों में हमसे ऑब्वियसली आगे हैं.
Right.
दे आर वेरी ओपन, राइट, दे हैव दैट ओपन माइंडसेट. ठीक है,
Right.
बट इंडिया में आपने अभी ये सब स्टार्ट किया है, विच इज वेरी गुड. ओके, एंड आई मीन lots of blessings to you and
Thank
to
you so
our
much.
whole community. When all the community members they come together, and it's not about कौन से फील्ड से, सेम फील्ड से भी सारे आए तो भी अच्छी चीज है, बिकॉज जितने
बहुत
ज्यादा
बढ़िया बात.
हीलर्स मिलते हैं, स्पिरिचुअल
Yes.
लोग मिलते हैं, जितने ज्यादा सेम कम्युनिटी के और मिलते हैं, so I think you develop a bigger, because we have a bigger role towards the entire world, towards the
Yes.
universe. We are not restricted to just you and me. We are talking about limitless, so we are going towards that.
And हमेशा मेरे हिसाब से क्या होता है, it is not necessary that you have to be face to face physically. अब आपकी एनर्जी मुझे रिसीव हो रही है, मुझे पता चल रहा है कि आप कितनी ब्लेसिंग्स दे रहे हो, और शायद कहीं ना कहीं मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो रहे हैं. सो इसी तरह जस्ट
Great,
ट्राई एंड
great.
इमेजिन
Thank you so
150
much.
people sitting on a session. There is a lot of energy exchange,
Absolutely.
and
बिल्कुल,
we,
बिल्कुल.
we facilitate healing. We facilitate healing. So बहुत बहुत thank you आपका, and we will
Thank you
definitely
so
make
much.
more such videos. We will bring up more such topics which are hidden under the carpet, which
Sure.
have been pushed under the carpet, and let this community not only be vocal and active in India but worldwide, I would say. So thank you so much,
Absolutely.
Anjali. I'm so pleased
Thank
to
you
have
so
you.
much. My pleasure. Would love to, looking forward for more such videos with you.